Ibn Arabi, the voice of love, unity, and human potential. In every age, a few remarkable individuals rise above their time, people whose wisdom continues to guide hearts, minds, and communities for centuries. One of these extraordinary figures is Ibn Arabi, known throughout the Muslim world as Shaykh al-Akbar, the greatest master. Ibn Arabi was born in Murcia, Spain in 1165, during the golden age of al-Andalus, a place where Muslims, Christians, and Jews lived, studied, and learned side by side. Surrounded by poets, philosophers, and scholars, he grew up with a deep love of knowledge. As a teenager in Seville, he experienced a profound spiritual awakening, an inner transformation that set him on a lifelong journey of seeking truth. For decades, Ibn Arabi traveled across the Islamic world, North Africa, Mecca, Jerusalem, Baghdad, Anatolia, learning from hundreds of teachers. He eventually settled in Damascus, where he wrote many of his most important works. In total, he authored over 350 books, including the monumental Meccan openings and the deeply spiritual Bezels of wisdom. His writings explore the mysteries of the human spirit, the nature of God, and the purpose of life. One of Ibn Arabi's most famous teachings is Wahdat al-Wujūd, the unity of being. He taught that everything in existence reflects the one divine reality. When we understand this, we begin to see the world differently. Every person carries dignity. Every creature has purpose. Every moment becomes a chance to witness the beauty of God's creation. This vision leads to compassion, humility, and respect for all humanity. Another powerful concept in Ibn Arabi's philosophy is the idea of the perfect human, or al-Insān al-Kāmil. This is not someone without flaws. It is someone who strives to reflect qualities like compassion, justice, patience, wisdom, generosity. He believed every human being has unique potential, a special gift placed in them by God. Our life's purpose is to discover that gift and to bring it into the world through service. For Ibn Arabi, love is the foundation of faith. He famously wrote, "Love is my religion and my faith." To him, love is not simply emotion. It is a way of seeing, a way of living, a way of honoring God's presence in others. When we lead with love, we break barriers. We create connection. We open doors that fear and anger keep closed. Ibn Arabi also taught that true knowledge comes from both the mind and the heart. He believed in balancing rational learning, emotional intelligence, self-awareness, spiritual insight. This holistic approach to education mirrors the values of the MMS Global Foundation, where education is not only about information, but about transformation. So why does Ibn Arabi matter today? Because his teachings speak directly to the challenges of our time. He offers a vision of inclusive, compassionate Islam, rooted in mercy, not harshness. He inspires education that develops the whole person, mind, heart, and spirit. He encourages young people to grow into ethical leaders who serve humanity. He reminds us that unity is greater than division, and love is stronger than fear. The MMS Global Foundation draws inspiration from Ibn Arabi's wisdom. His ideas support our mission, uplifting underprivileged communities, nurturing moral excellence, encouraging intellectual curiosity, building bridges across cultures, and promoting a holistic, spiritually rich understanding of Islam. In his teachings, we find guidance for a better world, one built on dignity, compassion, and human potential. Ibn Arabi's legacy is not just a chapter in history. It is a living message, calling us to know ourselves, to serve others, and to lead with love. A message that continues to inspire the work of the MMS Global Foundation today. May we all walk the path of wisdom, compassion, and unity.